Good day, M4757. Please introduce yourself.
I am Arlene Aldusa, 38 years old, single mom. I have three children, one boy and two girls. Their ages are 15, 13, and 6 years old. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate.
Okay.
I live in Pangitan, Madalagacan, Philippines.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in UAE as a helper.
Yes.
What are your main duty?
My main duty are cleaning the house, taking care of the child.
Okay, you are taking care of the child. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How will you prepare a food or a milk for a newborn baby?
I sterilize the bottle. I put warm water. Then I put milk. Then I shake the bottle and then give the baby.
If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I I see the.
You will check the...
I will check the body temperature.
Okay.
I will check the diaper.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high money to support my family
And also for the
and
future
also
of
to
your...
my children.
Okay. Um, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, but I want to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I want to learn to videos. Then for the
You can buy some cookbooks so that you can learn how to cook Chinese food, right?
yes.
Okay, and sometimes you can watch your sir and madam how do they prepare the food so that you can learn, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the employer prepared some food that you don't know how, that you are not familiar of, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper. It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to um, cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of the member of the family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay, lastly, message for your future employer.
For my future employer, if you heard me,
You will promise that you will be honest.
I will be honest with you, trustworthy, polite, obedient, and hardworking.
Okay. Thank you very much, M4757, Miss Arlene Naldosa.
Thank you.